Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I reset my Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi? Navigate to the device you are resetting, then tap Device Health. Select Change Wi-Fi Network. Choose your desired network from the list of available connections. After selecting, you will need to press the orange button on the back of the doorbell, which requires you to pull it off its mounting plate. How do I reconnect my Ring doorbell after charging? To reconnect the device, follow the steps given below. Go to the Ring app, right pointing arrow, set up a device, right pointing arrow, scan the MAC ID on the device, right pointing arrow, designate your location. Name your device and activate setup mode. Connect to the Ring device, right pointing arrow, connect device to Wi-Fi, right pointing arrow, test your device.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.